Langtuk Tokbi villagers extend gratitude to CAM, local MSC and VDC chairman. CPIML holds district level cadres meet at Hanjang Langso. KSA Hamran Regional Committee convenes executive meeting, inducts new members to the body. Hello viewers and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I hope you all are doing good and well in this pandemic situation. I am Julie Baby, bringing you the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. Langtuk Tokbi villagers have conveyed their gratitude to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang, local MSC Richard Tokbi and VDC Chairman Sarkoy Rongphar for taking up developmental works in the area. Our correspondent brings you this report. The villagers of Langtuk Tokbi village within Kangdir Teron polling station under the Duarbagori constituency expressed their gratitude towards the KAAC chief and local elected representative for implementing several developmental works in their area. Villagers say that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has paid equal attention to their area and appreciated local MSC Richard Tokbi for taking up developmental works in both Dolamara and Deithortang. In addition to this, the villagers also lauded MSC Tokbi for providing food bridge constructed over Diflo River to reduce the hardships and sufferings of residents of several villages located on the other side of the river. In their interaction with Karbi Anglong Live, the villagers also praised the local elected representative for construction of road through job card scheme.
Ini Kangdir Teron polling station arlo Tokbi arong along just Sept kiram tanganing kanhini aprang pen Duarbagori MSC Richard Tokbi council long MSC kidet pen penangan kaching tour akam claim lo alang li Dolomara lok chot kali Daithor along for example yam scheme la pen Dolomara long sime cultural complex open art gallery la pen thong be statue and part of me Japijuri lo tiklong krong plia long jambelia thon ke pangni lahai kam claim bom so pena pot si pini rong arlo na mela tum alang li development akam claim si pini la pu lang tu tok biarong me car to malang li phan kachoro to pajarji phan sening ha achika lang tom phan kachilinga phan di floral ke par phan inchina de long se melang li kedam tang ni kan hinia prang pen pilo alang tum labang so prang e kedam ke bang lang ke tepen jo kasik sak to pipik bonta labang so pen jo ke the long inchin the long lock pen pialang tum high lang ke su lang ke the ke parahut pan bang ke ka phere ba akisung bang jog lo busen yitha la selang tum pini alang li phana ke rupi pg phan selang li alang tum dachi pang room lo la po selang li tum ko pipi da scheme dong the long ne ni aji phani ha
MSC mate Forestwood Development Chairman akai sorry Richard Tokbi phan lampe si ko churu phone tal tum man kala lo tingkal sini pramang ke kunil tum nang parai rong ni rong komdu kasi dak titola alang roi do koknal tok kedam lang cheleng kasi sak epikan kasi lang parning kadu vikisi sa do bol sa me alang li kabori den ten azok almaso lang helang pleng mang ke jo ikilo kedam jo ikilo kasi suru ridone an par same pu dirtorong ten lakang dirtorong dak same Japar kam peni pensil tu nak tuar selam pun bom lo kasi aprang ben lanam tu nona tuar taminu pun chalo
itu marong aphan la an prang kedam siksak dolo la dilong pen tuar kedam siksak la pen dolong same prang gabe itu mo somar same sport ji thodam ke lang siki ha ahut pen te somar api ri chamlap la pen ni tum same lang ke parbori la son lo prang ke tame sartum han churu parpik lo litum han ason dilong same pw ali la puna ke man mila tame nitum han rong ni rong thombe tame dang sartum chingki chi than pipen nitum han so dolong.
The villagers also appealed upon the local MSC to provide playground for children of their village in the future. Arjison Rongpar's report from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. In a latest incident, one cow tail was snapped by Sarpo Teron villagers inside Langboku area under the Dilai police station. The incident took place on Tuesday afternoon when the tail was discovered by the owner while the tail was dragging the cow. According to sources, the thief was caught by the villagers who were alerted by the owner of the cow. The thief has been identified as Rakesh Ganju, son of Libura Ganju, Gorali village under Simaluguri police station, Nagaon district. The thief was immediately brought before village council where he was fined with a roaster, 3 bottles of liquor and cash amount of rupees 5,500 as penalty.
Ini langsung dia datang kanggu, ini datang tenang kanggu, dulu. Tapi ini nak ambil jabal ke, langsung kan ini yang pun pakai, langsung kediri mau itu lah. Kita ni nola ini army pakai, kalau ki kanggu tanta not long. Lagi ni tu ada daya ten, kami ni tu thùng đó, khả năng chọc thùng đó, thì nó là con lý tung là con là đai hàng thì rồi, là khi đai cái hàng bằng cái đã con 5,000 cái 5,000 tu, đi là con 1,000 thora harus phok, tu là con rong asara tunta rong pom ko pone ma kanta man ngi mara hor bang dong pom pu.
It may be mentioned that several incidents of theft of cows, goats and other domesticated animals have been reported by the villagers and is increasing day by day in Langboku and Koilajan areas following conditions of roads have improved. Vijay Rongpi from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. Villagers of Bong Et Arong inside Jaipong under the Langhin constituency not only continues to face daily hardships, but their sufferings have worsened during this rainy season due to the lack of bridge over Langsomepi River. During the visit, Bong Et Arong village headman Singh Bay told Karbi Anglong Live that their village have been utterly neglected by the Congress when they were in power for over 15 years. And even the present BJP-led government has done nothing till date. He also stated that they have even approached EM Tarendra Brahma to construct either bridge or culvert, but their appeals have once again been totally ignored. The village headman told Karbi Anglong Live that school students and their teachers have to cross river in order to reach for their classes, and it becomes extremely difficult during monsoon season. In addition to this, the village headman told Karbi Anglong Live that the bamboo bridge, which the villagers have erected from their own expenses, gets washed away during rainy season, that aggravate their sufferings and pain. The village headman and the entire villagers have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council under the leadership of CEM Tuliram Ronghang for construction of a bridge in the greater interest and development of the entire village.
Nang litu marong amen nakita jima Bong Et Berong labang so tuwar lagi nang litum ningkreng barla tami labang so tuwar si cihelat bom lokedi nang litum mente ladak bang kisung tipik lason lokedi dia laso dimlong mane dolonga videt penajok nang litum makis oke dame bang siksak lagi
Iki aja perlu tanya. Lalu Allah dolonga biada ni sih. Siksak sab tu jalan.
Sarpang Ring T from Langhin for Karbi Anglong Live. Following the broadcasting of news about a woman seeking assistance for medical treatment, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang provided monetary assistance towards Uchepi Kaet Kilingpi. At the 5 years old, Kaet Kilingpi is a resident of Harbara Rongphar village and she is an Uchepi or she is practicing shaman her entire past. The women, however, has been unwell since last year but have not been able to go for medical treatment due to lack of money. On receiving news of her ailment, the Karbi Anglong Life reached out to her home to inquire about her latest medical condition. During the visit, the Uchepi Kaet Kilingpi made appeal upon the well-wishers for their assistance for her medical treatment. Following the broadcasting of the news by Karbi Anglong Life, the KAAC chief extended financial assistance of Rs 20,000 towards the ailing Uchepi.
Pini nilitum Karbi Anglong Life pen puthot abalarong pararong hongborong pihem alang lihem nilitum bantulo. Atema patumidik nilitum ladak Karbi Anglong Life pen humri lo. Jasemet Kaet Kilingpi alang li Uchepi alang li tenarong pen penang an alang li akor yang angku pen non sarpiru poran sitami alang li cikar hi ahut jongkan ahut alang li ucip ya mandeng pen penangan alang li judang asai klempon pen penangan kethan mi abang ketum asami alang li kaplang pon nasong kasi patuga bang ki alang li non keso kelong lo kajok nikan hini lo keso panggi long lo kajok titur besi Hong bar pisamet dam tama kesung apol hor alang li pan keraba bang ku tu ma wede ajo penangan alang li kesung ke boje chak nang tamen non bang ke da kili tum Karbi Anglong nong nam ka thang nai CM ke ka ting hon thek ka ke matra aning angkin ke menai bang ku Karbi Anglong awar pacing thur di pan ku ka ke tra ka chesong abang ku alang li pan churu ri teu ne Kaet Kilingpi alang lipan kanghon kan yinso lapen ucip diaman lapen ke sedang kasih padungai bang diapan alang lipan man nang cikidun si ini tum Karbi Anglong CM Duli Ramsar alang li invensi angka suring koi atangka ni tum Karbi Anglong Life pariting nang padir lo lapin nabang to tangka ni tum non padir di pansi ni tum main lo so nang li pini pujima
Nangi Niram Ronghang nilipan ng kanghon nilipan paan nilipan Karbi Anglong nang nilijuklem do Karbi anjom nilijuklem do nilihem Karbi Anglong lepat tembang nilipan tangka nang koy nang ludun hindi pa na partir nang ipan ninggang saman to ke bang pedo dong ko lang lo nang serlo rudo mandido.
The financial assistance for her medical treatment from KAAC CM Tuliram Ronghang was handed to Uchepi Kaet Kilingpi by the Karbi Anglong Life team here on Wednesday. Meanwhile, Uchepi Kaet Kilingpi has also expressed her gratitude towards CM Tuliram Ronghang for his noble assistance towards her. Bikram Teron from Denarong for Karbi Anglong Live. The district-level cadre meeting of CPI-ML was held at its own office premise in Hanjang, Langsu on Wednesday, during which a reshuffle in the Bokachon District Committee also took place. The meeting was chaired by CPI-ML Secretary Longki Phangchuk. While briefing the object of the meeting, Amlong Ingti said that maximum population of the district belong to very poor section and faces several problems in their day-to-day life. So, to eradicate all these odds, people must join hands and follow the principles of CPI-ML, said the leader. During the meet, various issues of the district relating to the party were discussed, and they also resolved to expand and strengthen the party in order to effectively meet the challenges posed in the context of the increasing dangers rising since the beginning of the BJP's rule. Addressing the gathering, former MP and advisor HSDC Dr. Jayanta Rongpi said that it is a high time that move forward by making the party stronger. A new body of the party, Bokajang District Committee, was formed with Longki Pangcho unanimously selected as its secretary. CPI-ML HPC Secretary Robi Kumar Pangcho, HSDC CC Secretary Laichan Ingling, KNCA President Protima Inghipi and party leaders LN Suba were also present in the meeting. Ananterang from Bokajang for Karbi Anglong Live. A meeting of the Karbi Students Association KSA Hamran Regional Committee was held on Wednesday at the Irrigation IB, Dongkamukam. During the meeting, the students' organization discussed several important issues and also inducted new members. The meeting was presided over by its president Probin Timung, and the agenda of the meeting was briefed by its secretary Babul Togbi. After prolonged discussion, the KSA Hamran Regional Committee resolved to reshuffle its new body, during which Ashok Terang was appointed as its new vice president, Kiridhon Pangcho was as finance secretary, Humsun Teron as publicity secretary, Momi Patorpi as assistant publicity secretary, Raju Ingti as office secretary, Tilisrong Ronghang as assistant office secretary, Provenson Bay as organizing secretary in charge of Dongkamukam, and Sampri Pangchopi, Tamsing Kro, Romi Rongpipi and several others were appointed as members of the KSA Hamran Regional Committee. Wiki-based report from Tumpreng, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Stay safe.